Okay, power path into the cab. After going under here, yeah, never mind all that. That was needless. When you pull back that right there, there's a small opening right there that I'm thinking is a pass-through, because on the other side up there is another one, and when you take a look at it from the other side, it looks like one of those little pass-through areas. If I can get a camera angle on it here. Yeah, it's kind of in there. Let's see. There we go. So there's a there's the pass-through. Doggone. I just can't get a camera angle on it, but it's right behind here, and there's a small nipple that is available. Ah, there we go. Almost. Almost. I can get light. There we go. All right. So that is a nice pass-through point for power. And like I showed, the one on the bottom, I'm just going to have to fish it up here and terminate it onto the battery. But that gives us a path into the passenger compartment that's nice and clean. And then I can route under there and go over to the radio on the other side. Thanks for taking that ride with me. Knowledge is only power when it's shared.